You see this phone? $5,000. But what if I told you this tiny device could change your entire financial future, for better or worse? Ryan wasn't thinking about money. He was thinking about lifestyle. Luxury cars, watches, fame, everything social media told him he needed.
Wow!
And then he saw it. The most dangerous number in the world, $5,000. In his mind, it wasn't just a phone, it was success, status, a new identity. So he made a decision. One signature, one swipe, and the money was gone. The package arrived, and for a moment, it felt like winning. Likes went up, attention increased. Ryan finally felt noticed. People reacted, people admired, or at last, it looked like they did. And just like that, he started believing he had made it. But success has a hidden price, monthly payments. Then the notifications started coming, one after another. And reality hit. His bank balance was not unlimited. Debt doesn't arrive loudly, it builds silently. And his savings started disappearing faster than he expected. So he did the math and didn't like the answer. For the first time, his wallet was completely empty, and the pressure started stacking up. Even the phone he bought was losing its value every single day. And when he checked the resale value, he realized it wasn't worth what he thought. Then he met someone different, someone who didn't chase appearances. That person wasn't showing off, but his money was growing. And more importantly, he had something Ryan didn't. One path looked exciting, the other looked stable. And slowly, Ryan started to understand how wealth actually works. What if he had invested instead? What could that $5,000 become? The answer shocked him. The future value was massive because there's a difference between looking rich and being rich. So he changed. He stopped chasing noise and started chasing growth. And for the first time, his money started working for him. Now Ryan understands real wealth is not what you show, it's what you build.